And 5, embrace community and connection. Humans are social creatures, and the winter season is the perfect time to build and cherish connections. Even for introverts, reach out to friends, host cozy gatherings, or just join local events. Whether it's sharing stories, laughter, or even commiserating about the weather, it can be surprisingly uplifting. We're all in this winter cycle together, at least in the Northern Hemisphere. So make it a time to build stronger bonds and find comfort in shared experiences, even if you choose to do it with one person at a time. Here's another tip. Consider setting up a weekly gathering with friends or family, even virtually, just to discuss books or enjoy a meal together. These can create a routine you look forward to, adding warmth to the coldest days, no matter where you are. I doubt winter will ever be everyone's favorite season. That's all right. Yet by allowing yourself to slow down, adapting and building habits that nurture both your mind and body, we can transform these shorter and darker days into a warm season of introspection and comfort. So embrace this coming rhythm of winter, and you might find it brings gifts of its own. I have started with my delicious roasted chestnuts. What will you do to enjoy it?